In this video we will actually learn about the popular solder connection methods, and we start with the first method, which is the pigtail or rat tail splice. So in this method, which is the pigtail, you just simply twist two wires together. So as you could see here, I just simply twist these two wires together and just make sure there is no actually sharp edge. So as you could see, I just twist two wires together. It's actually good without the soldering, but we are going to actually solder that. So you use helping hand. You actually fixed it here. Then you actually take your iron and you are going to solder this. For soldering, you actually start away from the insulation, then actually move toward that. So what I'm going to do, I just start with this point, which is the farthest point from the insulation. So we just keep the tip a little bit to make the wire hot, then actually use slowly. You need to actually add your solder. Then you actually move toward the insulation. So as you can see, actually add more solder. So we'll move actually to the insulation. So you could actually move back and make sure there is no actually sharp edge. So you just need a little weight to actually make your solder cold, and that will be your pigtail. So you could actually test that and make sure there is no sharp edge. Even there is a sharp edge, again you could use the iron and actually fix that sharp edge that we have. For my case, it's actually very smooth and should be good pigtail connection.